I said too.
Thank you. I am remembering a song
Mini house
that goes like this. If through the deep waters I cause thee to go, the rivers of sorrow will not overflow.
Little gems. But the gems stick.
For I will be with thee, thy troubles to bless, and sanctify to thee thy deepest distress. When through fiery trials thy pathway shall lie, my grace all sufficient shall be thy supply. The flame shall not hurt thee, I only design thy dross to consume and thy gold to refine. In down to old age all my people shall prove my sovereign, eternal, unchangeable love. And then when gray hairs shall their temples adore, like lambs they shall still in my bosom be born. Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. The soul that on Jesus had leaned for repose, I will not desert to his foes. That soul though hell should endeavor to shake, I'll never, no, never forsake.
I just want to say I'm not going to take it from you.
Yeah, I love that song. I actually brought my hymn book. It's right here. It starts with How Firm a Foundation. The regular tune, right, says, How firm a foundation, ye saints of the Lord. But there's also that other tune, the one that I like a lot. How firm a foundation, ye saints of the Lord, is laid for your faith in his excellent word. What more can he say than to you he had said? To you who for refuge to Jesus have fled. Fear not, I am with thee, oh be not dismayed. For I am thy God, and will still give thee aid. I'll strengthen thee, help thee, and cause thee to stand, upheld by my righteous omnipotent hand. When through the deep waters I call thee to go, the rivers of sorrow shall not overflow. For I will be with thee, thy troubles to bless, and sanctify to thee thy deepest distress. When through fiery trials thy pathway shall lie, my grace all sufficient shall be thy supply. The flame shall not hurt thee, no, I only design thy dross to consume and thy gold to refine. In down to old age all my people shall prove my sovereign, eternal, unchangeable love. And then when gray hairs shall their temples adore, like lambs they shall still in my bosom be born. The soul that on Jesus had leaned for repose, I will not desert to his foes. That soul though hell should endeavor to shake, I'll never, no, never forsake. Never, no, never forsake. That's right. The Lord will never, 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 never forsake us. I will never leave thee nor forsake thee. And tell us in the comments, did you like that hymn? And do you like to sing hymns? I have a really good website to share with you. I'll put it in the description box. It's www.hymnal.net. Hymnal with a Y, right? HYMNAL. Hymnal.net. You can find thousands of beautiful hymns and songs and the chords for the guitar and the piano.